Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best local SEO citation and review tools for US local businesses by having a comparison between BrightLocal and Whitespark. If you're looking for the best local SEO citation tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. BrightLocal is an all-in-one platform focused on helping businesses improve their local search visibility. Trusted by over 10,000 marketers and businesses globally, it offers a range of features tailored for local SEO success. It has key features like local SEO audit and reporting, citation tracking and building, Google Business Profile audit, rank tracking, including Google Maps, review generation and monitoring, white label reporting for agencies. BrightLocal simplifies complex SEO metrics with visual dashboards, making it an easy local SEO software for beginners. It also offers custom reports, schedule-based rank tracking, and integration with Google Analytics and Search Console. It has many pros like user-friendly dashboard, great for beginners, extensive local citation tracking, detailed reporting capabilities, affordable pricing for small businesses, supports white labeling for client reporting. But there are also cons like citation cleanup is an add-on, not included in all plans, and the interface can feel outdated to some users. Whitespark started as a local citation building service and has since evolved into a robust suite of local SEO tools. It's especially popular among SEO professionals and agencies who need reliable citation data and in-depth analysis for local listings. It has key features: local citation finder tool, citation building and cleanup service, local rank tracker, review checker, reputation builder, Google Business Profile management tools, structured citations with niche-specific directories. Whitespark is also known for its educational resources, including webinars, case studies, and blog tutorials, making it a popular tool for those willing to learn and implement more technical SEO strategies. The pros of Whitespark are that it contains highly accurate citation services, strong reputation for citation building, supports international local SEO, transparent pricing for citation services, niche-specific directory placement, and cons like slight learning curve for new users, limited features outside citation management and tracking. Interface isn't as intuitive as BrightLocal. Whitespark is especially strong in international markets and niche industries, making it a great option for businesses looking to expand beyond just local reach. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.